Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about the term updates of estimates and invoices and why they might not be showing. If you updated the terms in document settings of either the invoices or the estimates and you are wondering why they are showing up, just continue watching this video. When you do an update to the terms, it is vital to remember that the changes you make won't be reflected on any jobs or opportunities created prior to the updating. They will only affect the ones created after. Also, keep in mind that even if you created the invoice for that job or opportunity after making the update, the changes won't be reflected because the terms are determined when the job is created, not when the invoice is generated. You may not see the terms when you create the job or opportunity, but they are hanging around in the shadows waiting to appear when you generate the invoice. And finally, don't forget to update the terms manually on these older documents. This is all for today. Don't forget to follow us in our social platforms to be up to date with everything. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate in reaching us. Bye bye!